our daily life. As I came. Come then, let me introduce myself and my family. My name is Sumant. Can you find out my family members here? See, my mother name is Lakshmi. That is Pavi, she is my sister. And my father name is Narayan. And this girl here is called Siri. She is 6 years old. She lives with her parents. Our mother name is Uma, our father name is Vinu. Siri has one brother, one sister. Our brother Kiran is older than her and he is 9 years old. Our sister Anu is younger to her. She is 4 and Siri also has a grandmother. She is 68. She tells stories to her grandchildren every day. And Siri plays with her brother and sister after the school and they are a lot of fun. Fine then. So let's meet few more people around us then. Hi, my name is Ishwar. I'm from Kopla and I'm 6 years old. I have a sister. Her name is Sheila. She is 10. Hello, I'm Naija. I came from Bangalore. I'm 7. My best friend is my cousin. His name is Suman. He is 8 years old. Hi, I'm Meena. May I know your name? Hi, I'm Stani. Where do you come from, Meena? I come from Katirguppe. Where are you from? I'm from Banaswadi. Nice to meet you, Stani. How are you? I'm fine. Nice to meet you too. Hello guys. My name is Halim. This is my friend Dhruti. Hi Dhruti. How are you? Hi Ramya. I'm fine. And you? Great, thanks. When is your birthday, Dhruti? Oh, it's on 3rd August. When is yours, Ramya? Oh, day after tomorrow. Please come to my house for my birthday, okay? Thank you. Definitely I will come. So likewise, we meet many different people around us and we will be having casual conversation between them. Right? Yes.